Welcome back to the AI Copy Lab. Andy O'Brien here. Great to have you. And hit hit the subscribe button, and you won't miss any future videos. Okay. So this time around, we're going to talk about the guarantee. This is huge risk reversal situation on your sales page. So it's important that you get it right. Don't just use something that everybody else is using. Don't phone it in. Make sure your guarantee is as compelling and persuasive as possible, because everyone wants to know that when they purchase something that they can that there's an out, that they can get their money back if they change their mind, or if they just aren't feeling it. Okay, so a good guarantee, a well-written guarantee, will increase your conversion rates. So let's take a look at what ChatGPT can give us for a guarantee. So all I did in the prompt was I said, give me some compelling, powerful guarantee language for my sales page. Here are the details. And, I went pretty basic here. I just said, try out the course. And if for any reason you don't feel it's for you, just let me know within 30 days and I'll cheerfully refund your money, no questions asked. Okay. That's a pretty basic guarantee. So what ChatGPT did for me here was gave me 5 different options to choose from for a guarantee. And these are all really good. The headline would be here: your satisfaction guaranteed, risk-free enrollment, try it for 30 days risk-free. These would all be like sub headlines for your guarantee. Okay. I love our ironclad guarantee. That's a really good one. And what it does is it talks up the course within the confines of the guarantee. We believe in the value and effectiveness of this course. Take the full 30 days to dive into the content and put it to the test. And so you're giving them a comfort level with their purchase, but the main thing is we're kind of combining a bunch of things here. We're being persuasive, but we're giving them an out if they want it. So what I did in this first one is I highlighted this, I cut and pasted right into a Google Doc, and I'm just going to tweak it a bit. Instead of no hard feelings, I'm going to say no worries. And then here, I love to say at the end of a guarantee, fair enough. And then that's it, and really you don't have to do too much here with the guarantee language. Just tweak it enough to make it your own. And then you can take it and run with it. Or if you like any of the other ones, feel free to use those as well. So, hey, I'm always thinking about having ChatGPT write the entire sales page for me. But if you don't want to do that, then by all means, just have it write certain elements: the guarantee, the headline, the call to action. And we cover this in several videos in the AI Copy Lab. So check those out. But this takes care of the guarantee language on your sales page. Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and hit that subscribe button.